What's up guys, my name is Brandon and this is Style So Dapper. If this is your first time here, I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can always be notified when I put out a new video. And to my returning friends, you should definitely hit that like button. And if you're new here, also hit that like button. Alright guys, so today I got another gentleman's box unboxing and review for you guys today. Now you know that these are probably one of my favorite boxes that I receive on this channel, and you know, for some reason I don't get a lot of views on them, but I love reviewing them and seeing what comes in the box every month. And for those of you who are new at this channel, these boxes are $29 a month, and every month they send you a curated box with various men's items like socks, pocket squares, tie clips, and sometimes you get some other random things like a wallet or a flask, things like that. And they're pretty awesome boxes. And the other good thing about them is they're always coordinated color wise, which I really like that. There's also a couple different options that you can do as far as paying for them. You can pay for like one whole year, or you can do every 3 months, or you can do every month like I do. But financially it comes right down to $29 a month. It's the same either way you look at it. But I highly recommend these boxes if you're looking to expand your ties and your socks and your pocket squares, because you pretty much get that every month. So without further ado, let's change perspectives and open this box and see what we got this month. Alright guys, so that's the box, and it's a pretty awesome box. I like the things that came in it, and hopefully you guys do too. And remember, if you like this video, definitely like this video, actually hit that thumbs up and subscribe and comment. And that's it for this video guys, and I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.